Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to talk you through a very useful feature on the iPhone, the built-in screen recorder. Whether you are trying to record the gameplay, tutorials, or even capture something from social media, this tool is incredibly handy. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to activate and use screen recording on any iPhone running iOS 14 or later, with a special focus on the iPhone X server. So, step 1. First, let's check if the screen recorder is already added to your control center. On your iPhone X server, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open the control center. Now, look for the circular recording icon. Here is blinking the red icon in the bottom of this screen. But if it's not there, don't worry. I'll show you how to add it right now. Step 2. Go back to your home screen and open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Control Center. Then tap Customize Controls or simply Control Center depending on your iOS version. So here you will see a list of features you can add to your control center. Scroll down until you find screen recording and tap the green plus icon next to it. So here you can see at the left of every row there's a plus signed green icon which is in circular. If the screen recording options is available here, you can click on the plus green sign icon and it will automatically come up here. Otherwise, if the screen recording already you included in the control center, then you will see the screen recording here as you can see now. So that's it. The screen recording button is now added to your control center. Now, step 3. To start a recording your screen, swipe down from the top right again to open the control center. Now tap the screen recording icon. You will see a 3-second countdown and then the recording will start. Here you can see I have already started the screen recording option. That's why it's blinking and the color is red. But if you just start recording from the beginning, it will count 3, 2 and 1 seconds and the recording will start. You can go ahead and do whatever you want to record, whether there's a game, a tutorial or scrolling through your phone. By default, the screen recorder captures video without audio. But if you want to record your voice, press and hold the screen recording icon before you start. Here you can see if I hold the screen icon recording icon for a while, it will pop up several options, and in the below of that pop-up options, you will see the microphone on or off, which is the big red circular in the bottom of this page. And then tap start recording, or if you click on the icon, it will show the microphone on. It means if you do voice or start recording your voice or audio, it will automatically capture your voice and the recording you are playing games or any other scrollings in the phone. To stop recording, tap the red status bar or the red timer at the top left corner of your screen, then confirm by tapping stop. Here you can see in the top left there's a color red. If you click, so alternatively you can swipe up into the control center again and tap the screen recording button to stop. After you stop recording, the video is automatically saved to your Photos app. Open Photos and go to the Recents. Here is the photo and you will find your video there. You can trim, edit or even share it directly from your photos to any app like YouTube, WhatsApp or social media. And that's it. You know how to activate and use recording on your iPhone X. It's simple, useful and built right your device. So for more, you can check the YouTube or even the search on internet for your phone. Found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more iPhone tips and tricks. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.